left ear.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was really good.
Where'd you feel it though?
Like mid back for sure.
Yeah. Your problem area, huh?
Yeah.
I think you should do another one.
I'm scared.
Can you do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good, relax.
Okay. Okay.
Look at that,
I'm
still kicking. Let's see how you do.
I feel free, like.
Yeah,
Yeah, I feel great.
good.
Mhm.
I'm glad it got your main problem area.
Yeah, feels great.
That's gonna help you with your breathing.
Yeah.
You feel like you can breathe deeper?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt that bad.
See?
Yeah, thank
Your
you.
posture looks good too.
Yeah, I feel good. Yeah.
All right. Okay, there you go.
Well, thank
You're
you.
all set. Thanks for trying out the
Thank
ring
you.
gamer.
Thank you.